The water cycle. Evaporation and transportation happens first. Evaporation is when water vapors from everywhere into the air. Transportation is when water vapors from plants into the air. Then condensation happens. That's when clouds form. The precipitation happens when the air cannot hold any more water and it falls back to earth in any form. That's rain, sleet, hail or snow. When it rains on land, it might go into infiltration. That's when the water is stored underground. When evaporation happens again, the water comes out of infiltration into the air. Evaporation. Evaporation is when water changes from liquid to gas or vapor. Once a droplet gets evaporated, it spends 10 days in the air. The process of evaporation is so great that without other steps, the lakes, sea, etc. would nearly be empty. This evaporation happens during windy times. Heat is removed from the environment during evaporation.
Transpiration. Transpiration is when plants lose water out of their leaves. Transpiration gives evaporation a hand in getting the vapor back into the air. Condensation. Condensation happens when water vapor gets cold and changes into liquid, which then turns into clouds.
Clouds. Clouds are made when evaporation and transportation happen. Water vapor from land, which are lakes, streams, etc. Then condensation happens and clouds form. Precipitation. Precipitation happens when it occurs so much water is condensed that it cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls in the form of rain, sleet or snow.
Accumulation. Accumulation is when water accumulates into lakes, rivers, streams, etc. If there's too much accumulation, it can cause a flood.
Infiltration. Infiltration is when anywhere in the world a portion of water that falls as water or snow infiltrates into the ground. Some water that infiltrates will stay in the shallow soil layer, which makes mud.
Why is the water cycle so important to us? Because it keeps the water clean so we can drink it, because animals will die because they need water to drink, and sea creatures need to live in it. Without water, the earth will overheat. Plants will die without water because they need water also to grow.